What if every time you grabbed a coffee, paid for groceries, or booked a flight, you actually get money back in your pocket? This informational content sponsored by crypto.com and should not be considered as investment advice. Trading cryptocurrencies carries risks such as price, volatility, and market risk. Before deciding to trade cryptocurrencies, consider your risk appetite. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's hit it on. All right, guys, so this is the landing page of crypto.com. A link to this will be in the description of the video. Now, we will be focusing on crypto.com's level up, and it is actually here up on top. If you go to individuals and you click on level up, you will get directed to this part of the website. Now, Crypto.com, guys, positions itself as a lifestyle-focused finance platform that blends the everyday spending with the digital asset utility. Now, one of its most visible consumer benefits is the ability to earn up to 6% cashback on your daily purchases, with the rewards credited instantly to the user's account. So this real-time reward structure is actually reinforcing the idea that spending and earning can happen simultaneously and in harmony. So without delays or complex redemption steps. Now, guys, beyond the rewards, all right, Crypto.com is actually designed as a full-featured financial app rather than just a standalone trading platform. Now, you may have known Crypto.com as a trading platform. Now, one of the most, I would say, well-known trading platforms out there, right? But you actually didn't know that it is a full-featured financial app rather than just what you think it is, which is just a trading platform. Now, it supports that everyday financial activities such as payments, you have savings, and account management as well, while also still offering the advanced tools for the experienced crypto users. Now, of course, just like what I always tell you, you got to make sure that you are always doing your own research, especially if you are or if you have any plans of getting into cryptocurrency trading. So you got to know the technical analysis, the market analysis, and all that good stuff. And at the same time, it's the interface of crypto.com, guys, remains accessible to beginners, which lowers the barrier to entry for those that are new to digital assets. Because again, nowadays, cryptocurrency is gaining more and more people that are, they are already accepting crypto payments. They're already, they have financial or payment apps or something like that, payment transactions. Sooner or later, before we knew it, cryptocurrency can be used in the well-known merchants out there, either online or if they have a physical store, we will be able to use our digital assets. Now, I'm not saying that we can right now, but I'd say in the future, there is a great possibility that can actually happen. So now, guys, premium subscriptions unlock an additional layer of lifestyle-oriented benefits. Now, users may actually receive rebates on popular services such as Netflix or Spotify, along with the access to airport lounges with traveling. So, just like your Amex or just like your Visa or just like your MasterCard, wherein when you are in the airport, there is a special lounge that you could hang out in while waiting for your flight. Right? You have free food in there. You have unlimited coffee, unlimited free-flowing coffee. So, those type of special offers will be available for Crypto.com users. Now, these perks are actually extending to the platform's value beyond finance, which also positions it as a part of a broader digital ecosystem. Now, guys, you have a lot of different stuff in here, just like what I told you. So you have crypto, you have Visa, prepaid card, you have level up. And if you click on get started, it will take you to where you could actually, get more information about what their products is or what their services are. And you could also log in, right? Like this one. Okay, you could sign up or you could log in All right. Of course, you have to make sure that you're always doing your own research. And financial efficiency is also built into the platform structure. Now, you also have wave trading fees and that are subject to program tiers and transaction limits that could also reduce the cost on frequent trades, while also other transaction fees and spreads may still apply, right? Now, in addition to that, guys, users can actually earn up to 5% APY on eligible cash balances, which also allows funds to grow passively over time. And all rewards, rates, and benefits are basically subject to the requirements and regional availability. So you got to take note of that, which also reinforces the importance of understanding the program's details before participation. It is at the bottom of their page. You have the disclaimer there as well, and you have a lot of different information. And that is the reason why I always tell you, before you get into something, be it like investment, be it like services, or if you're going to be purchasing something, you got to always make sure that you're always doing your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. And so take your wealth to the next level, because your coffee runs and Netflix nights should actually pay you back. So claim your 30-day level up trial today and start earning as you spend. If you are new to the channel, guys, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.